What's up, guys? We're gonna check here. Obviously, the title says it all. I'm gonna be cutting the shit out of my bumper. So stay tuned, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's go. The reason why I'm cutting the bumper, most importantly, is because I'm gonna get a bash bar. I'll show you the bash bar. Bash bar is short. So this is the bash bar I ordered. I forgot the brand, but it took me a while to get here. It's finally here. The reason why I got this is because the car's too damn low and I want to go even lower at one point. So this is the jack point stand from the rear bumper. The reason why I'm going to be cutting it. So watch me hopefully not screw up my car and install this bad boy today. Guys, let's go. Let's get this done. So over there in the backyard, you couldn't see that much flake to it, but I like this color that I chose for it. It's pretty shiny. Gives a little bit of shiny reflection. I'll throw a clear coat on it. It was raw metal when I received it, and I didn't want it to rust, so I went with this color, silver. So right now we're gonna be tipping up the rear bumper, and let's get started this cutout. I'm gonna time lapse this shit. Ah, shit. So I got my extension, I got my grinder and my face shield. So we're gonna be getting anything set up, and from there I'll see what goes on. And Boosty can help you. Hola, what are you doing? Boosty, I'm doing a video right now. Can I be in it? Boosty, you're already in it right now. Oh, hola. Can I help? No, Boosty. Why? Because it's dangerous. You see repair grinders? So? I like grinders. Okay, I leave you now. Goodbye. So we'll go from there. We're gonna see how it turns out. Hopefully it's not too choppy. Looks pretty straight to me. So what do you guys think? Oh well, fuck it. We're gonna see right now. The bumper's cut. So now this thing's cut off. What the hell? Was it an original bumper? Oops. So now it's cut off. Ah, it looks beautiful. Look at that. Big booty Judy. I'm gonna sand the little bottom pieces where I cut it. Make sure it's a lot more smoother. Yep. Now to start taking off the rear bash bar, the original one. I'm all struggling. Seriously, and I forgot I had this bad boy. Get him off. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Now this bash bar is supposedly designed for it to just fit directly without any issues. So we're just gonna try to see. Powder paint this. Probably not. Just do like that if anything. Fuck it. Let's get to the bash bar. She getting that Brazilian butt lift right now. Should be looking thicker than J-Lo. Okay, so now the thing is to not direct fit. Let me show you guys what I start right now. I can think I have a grinder still here that I need to cut. Across an issue right now that you don't see it right now, but you see it when you're here at this point. See, it's this little bolt. So for anybody trying to do this too, I recommend what I'm gonna just probably end up doing is just cutting off this bolt so it can just sit flush. If anything, cutting time it is. Get away! No, Boosty. We'll play later. Okay. I'm already used to it at this point. Careful not to snap, cut the wires like I almost did right now. Nice and clean. You gotta make sure that it sits on flat because you are gonna be jacking your car from here. And so bolt it on this side first, or just hold it, and then on this side, just go up and So, what do you guys think? Hell yeah. I think I might just need to repaint those bottom stuff panels right there. But it looks badass. Sure, it came out. Oh, whoop free. This looks badass. I was gonna go with the black, but I want the bar stick out a little bit at least. So, it's looking pretty good. Looks pretty sturdy. Yep. I don't want to step it all yet because the paint's still curing, but overall, this looks beast. Oh, most importantly, I almost forgot. What's the reason this for? For jack point stand. So I'll give you guys a little demonstration. So let's see how this performs. My car rolling away. Ah, it's rolling away. Have a see? Works. I was like, my car rolling away. Well, this is the bash bar. This is continuation of my drift build, little by little. But I just want to make the car more friendlier for me to when I want to work on it. So guys, let me know what you guys think about it. And again, until next time, peace.